Learn with Chef Elite. 5 salad dressings that you can make in just 30 minutes. Kaya kung boring ang salad mo at hindi ka mahilig kumain na to, panoorin mo tong video na to. First dressing, ranch. Mayonnaise, sour cream, lemon juice, fresh dill, salt, white pepper, blend it together and set aside. Ito yung binibili niyo sa supermarkets. Next, honey mustard. Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, honey, salt, pepper, and then blend. Slowly add olive oil. Pwede ka gumamit ng yellow mustard kung walang Dijon mustard. Thousand Island. Mayonnaise, ketchup, salt, pepper. Once blended, add red onion, sweet pickle relish, boiled eggs. Mix mo lang until incorporated. Kapag nahalo mo na, season with salt and pepper, then add white vinegar. Next, Caesar. Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, parmesan cheese, fresh garlic, salt, pepper, lemon juice. You can add anchovies and capers if you want, but this is all good. Last, avocado lime. Fresh avocados, Greek yogurt, fresh garlic, pepper, salt, lime juice, olive oil, and then blend until smooth. Alam nyo ba, eating salad can help you lose weight. Pero syempre, with proper diet and exercise. Ikaw, ano favorite mo salad dressings? Comment down below. Follow na for more healthy recipes.